Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, IT products, and generally anything that will help you make money online. If making money is your desire and your intention, on my channel I review digital products that are going to help you do that. And today I have another amazing product, one that is called MobiClikz, and this one is actually going live on the 11th of August 2022 at exactly 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's being launched by two super affiliates that I love so much, Jason Fulton and my brother, my compatriot, Sheun Ogundele. And in a nutshell, this is one product that is going to help you actually blast your offer or affiliate links or whatever you have out there, even your website links, to thousands of inboxes through mobile technology, mobile phone, and you instantly use the power of mobile messaging without any computer, using free traffic, no list needed, no website needed, and you get real trackable guaranteed clicks to anything you want. And of course it helps you leverage, like I said before, the power of mobile messaging to get unlimited traffic and sales with just few clicks of the button. I mean, this is amazing. If this one is one product that you're going to be able to require, where you use your mobile phone to blast your affiliate links and your offers or whatever you have out there to thousands of mobile phones across the world, this will be the one you need. And therefore I encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the amazing bonus page of mine. You can notice my excitement, which is here. And when you get to my bonus page, by clicking that first link in my description area, you will grab a copy with this one. And of course you have other buttons, I think orange too in color, scattered all over this page. And when you click any of them, they will take you to the sales page, where you are able to get a copy using any of the links on the very sales page. I will show you one of them now, orange as well, I guess. Yeah, this is it. When you click it, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account, where you buy this product. And when you buy this product, one thing is going to happen. You will be exposed to what is called your purchase history. Under your purchase history, to access this product, you will be able to find a page that looks like this with two buttons. This one gives you access to the product, MobiClikz, and here you have this blue one giving you amazing access to the amazing bonuses that I'm going to show you if you stick with me in a very, very short while. With that said, let us look at in details exactly what this product and what the creator says is going to do. Of course, I have said that before, but let us just go through it again in case you need to. I will encourage you at this point to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications so that you will not miss any content that I upload. Now, with that said, let us see once more what this product is about. That is a brand new app that blasts any offer to thousands of inboxes instantly using the power of mobile messaging without any computer. So it's self-explanatory. And with that said, let us just go into the pricing. This is the price scratch for this one. The front end goes for $19, and of course you'll be able to get access to the amazing software of this product, which is this. You will be able to have access to this software and of course be able to make use of it. Now, that's front end for you. The OTO number one is the unlimited version of the front end for MobiClikz, and it goes for $47, which is equally advisable, because definitely there may be limitations on the front end, which you will cover with this very one. And now OTO number two will be the done for you. It goes for $297. Everything is basically done for you. You have no thing to do. You don't lift any finger, and then you just relax, and this thing will be blasting offers of yours to thousands and millions probably of mobile phone users. Now OTO number three will be $47, OTO number four $67, which I believe is the resale rights, and here you have the agency, which is OTO number five $97. They are all optionals, but if you want the full package, that will be it will then be advisable to go for all of them, so that you have everything you want structured for you, including the done for you, which is the OTO number two. Now, with that said, these are the amazing benefits you stand to gain with this one. Brand new complete system for making money online. No email list needed, no website needed, no ad budget needed, no laptop needed. You can do this from anywhere and get real trackable guaranteed clicks to anything you want, and you will get unlimited free traffic that actually converts, and it will help you blast these offers of yours to thousands of inbox instantly using the power of mobile messages. And everything basically is done for you, campaigns included if you want, as I showed you before. And then of course you have $0 to $473 in 36 hours, beginner beta tester and case study included for free. So that's what you have as benefits there. And you have amazing 30-day money back guarantee. In case for any reason or without any reason you want to return this product, you can do so and get your refund 100%. So that's amazing. Now let us look at the mind-blowing bonuses that I have for you. Actually, I have 2 pages of bonuses for you. Page number 1 is here, and here number 1 bonus is the premium bonus, the ultimate premium bonus, which gives you access to the product vault, which has 17 amazing products, software and training courses that you can benefit with. Both CPA offers, everything you want to making money online using special hacks and softwares and training courses. You will be able to find 17 of them in this very bonus number 1 of mine. So that's what you get. You can't see it anywhere else. Now bonus number 2 will be 3 monetization strategies, which means if you want to monetize your YouTube channel, your websites, anything you want to do, you will be able to get the hacks and tutorials you need to actually do it for yourself without having to hire freelancers to do that for you. Now, so that's what you have as my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3 will be how to rank any site on page number 1 on Google. So it's a hack that is going to teach you how you can gradually from scratch rank your materials, your blogs, your YouTube channel, anything you have out there. You can rank it on Google number 1 page with these very amazing hacks. And now we'll have the mega bonus for you, which comprise of over 1,000 tools, and I call it the commission toolbox. This is the one that is going to give you over 1,000 tools that you're going to use online. Without tools, you cannot operate online, because it is tools that automate most of the things we do. It is tools that you use to build bonus pages. It's tools. Everything is about tools, and without tools, just like in the offline businesses where you manufacture and create things, without tools you cannot do the construction business. Without tools you cannot repair things. So basically online as well, you need tools to work online. So these are amazing tools that you have here, for over 1,000 of them. So that's what you have as my bonus number 4. My bonus number 5 will definitely be all the vendor bonuses. If I'm correct, yes, all the vendor bonuses will be yours. Like I said before, when you click this link, when you arrive here, it will take you to the sales page where you can click any of these links that is checking for you to click. And then of course, when you do that, you'll be able to have access to my Water Plus account where you purchase this one. And when you do, under your purchase history, like I told you before, you will find this button that gives you access to MobiClikz as a product you just purchased. And here you have the amazing blue button that gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I have shown you. Now I'm going to show you my second page of this is my second page of bonuses, which you are going to have access to. And now the first one will be the Latitude. Latitude is actually a unique beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits, and it was a product that was produced by Jonah Armstrong and his partner. And of course, this one deals with NFTs. It's going to teach you how to make money with NFTs. That's my bonus number 1 on this page, which will be sent to you from Google Docs, and of course, you'll be getting it from my email address. These are all current selling training courses and softwares that you can make use of. My bonus number 2 for this page will be TweetX, which is how to crack the Twitter traffic and be able to drive amazing traffic from Twitter to any offer of your choice. And this comes as Chrome extension on your computer, which will behind the scene harvest traffic from Twitter, and you'll be able to make money with that. Now my bonus number 3 will be the Insurgency, which is how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. Amazing training course you have there. And you have number 4 as a Lazy Traffic Sniper, which gives you access to free buyer traffic on daily basis. You will be sniping traffic from here and there. Now my bonus number 5 for this one will be JavaScript Commission Bot, which is a bot system that is going to teach you how to make 4-figure daily commissions. Of course, that's amazing training there. And you have my bonus number 6 for this one as the Lockdown Formula, which is how to start and scale digital marketing from scratch and be able to scale it to 10,000 per month business. Now that's what you have, and of course you'll be able to get this through the email when you eventually buy this product using my link. Now with that said, let us just go back to the amazing bonus page of mine and see if we can go to take a look at the sales page and then try to wrap up with the very bonus that I have for you. Actually, I am going to show you the very members area of this one. This is where you have the inbox, the top messages level, message credits, message campaign, invite members, and menu. Oh yes, welcome back to my channel. This is the very sales page that I'm talking about, which you will be able to actually have a look at your convenience. You'll be able to get access to this one and read for yourself what capabilities you have with this one. As long as blasting your offers through the mobile messaging system, you'll be able to use this product to do so. And I mean, imagine blasting your offers and affiliate links to thousands and thousands of people using mobile phone. With that mobile phone, nobody really operates these days, so you'll be able to make money with that. Now, these are the amazing bonuses from the vendor. Bonus number 1 will be 2K per day live invite, and bonus number 2 will be 1 million a year blueprint. Bonus number 3 will be recurring 30-second free commissions, and bonus number 4 definitely will be super license rights to 3 of their best ever profitable products. And of course, I believe they have bonus number 5, which is a discount coupon. So you have 5 bonuses from the vendor and over 1,000 bonuses actually from me. And you can imagine if there is any other place you're going to get that. Now with that said, let us go back to my amazing bonus page and be able to wrap up with this very review. I will encourage you at this point to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Definitely you will be one of the very first people that to receive notifications whenever I upload any content on my line. I love you guys, and this is where we'll end this one. I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here guys, is goodbye.